Hello and welcome back to episode number 23 of 30 Days, 30 Logos. My name is David from Grayfish Design. Thank you for tuning in. Today we've got an email from Craig Wilson. Hey there, Deadbeat is an online music community focused on EDM, drum and bass, house, dubstep, etc. type of music. Our close competitors for your reference are Monster Cat and 99 Lives. We'd like our logo to focus around the dead plus beat idea. That could be a skull or zombie and the beat music featuring either headphones or music equalizer styles. For the style we prefer something colorful like 99 Lives album art. Something when someone sees the logo and just wants to listen to some awesome music. Craig Wilson, Deadbeat. Well, let's check out the competitors. So the Monster Cat logo is literally a cat turned into a monster, which is nice, I guess. Then the 99 Lives album art they were talking about, it's just very colorful, very direct, very drawn, kind of 3D draw-ish. It's alright. So let's get into designing this logo. So I drew a skull wearing headphones, but I found it to be really cliche. So I searched for music and then I came across a musical note and I thought, hey, two musical notes together could form a headphone. And I thought the shape of two musical notes together but flipped around makes for the jaw of a skull. So I sketched that as well and I started out making a music note. Then I duplicated it and flipped it and I turned it into a skull. And I made the eyes and the nose using circles and dragging them out. And then I thought maybe it would look better if the musical notes would be a headphone that the skull is wearing. So I dragged them up and I made the skull more proportional. And then I thought the headphones should be lower, so I lowered them. And I made the teeth into equalizers, which I thought was a really clever idea. Then I chose a color, which was this bluish green, which I thought fitted because I wanted a colorful logo. Then I set out to choose a font and I came across Hyperspace and I chose the bold font because I found it too thin and it has to be seen in a small format because it's probably also going to be in an app. And I put that together and then removing the square and making the skull green instead of the other way around. Then I made the black and white versions and I'm really happy with the final result. I wasn't really sure if I was going to come up with something good for this logo, but in the end I think I came up with something really clever, bringing two musical references into the logo. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. The final images and the mockups can be seen on my site, which is also linked down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next episode of 30 Days, 30 Logos. Bye bye.